Okay, now I want to do some baking, but I need something larger than a cupcake. But I don't want to use tin foil. I want to use paper. So I'm trying out these Optima Paper Tart baking cups. Okay, now I bought a package of these Optima Paper Tart molds. And I've taken them out of the package and they really look pretty durable. Looks like they will hold a Coke batter okay. But I'm going to test them out. My husband's favorite cake is pineapple upside down cake. But I'm not too good about that flipping it over part. So I want to try these to make a pineapple upside down cake because these should be pretty easy to flip over. Of course, I don't know about these ridges, how that is going to work out. Now I also want to test these paper baking cups to see how well they will cook my honey sourdough cinnamon rolls as individual servings. I will be trying to sell these at the Honeybee School that will be in September in Canton, Texas. And let me tell you, these are so much better than the Cinnabons. Okay, now will these work? They're 3.5 inches wide and 1.25 inches deep. That's bigger than a cupcake, about the same size as the small pies you might buy. Temperatures up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. My recipes call for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm definitely good on that. Sturdy, freestanding on a cookie sheet. Non-stick coating. Now there's a double check on that. But the price, now that is a killer. I bought it on Amazon. Do any of you other cooks or chefs out there have a better place to buy these at a better price or something else that might work out better? So how did my pineapple upside down cake turn out? Okay, now for that magic moment. Let's try inverting these. Now, in a normal pan, I would have ran a knife around the edges to loosen it up. But since I've got these, I'm just going to kind of pull on them. And let's see what happens. Oh, I didn't leave it. It's not real straight, but it certainly came out wonderful. Now, I would say these are absolutely a success. Now what I really want to know, once this cools off, can I put it back in this for serving? Well, my cinnamon rolls just turned out great. I rolled them out, put them in the paper baking cups, let them rise, and now they're ready to bake. Wrap them up, and then these are ready to sell. These definitely worked on my honey sourdough cinnamon rolls. They worked on my pineapple upside down cake. I can't wait to try baking other things in these. Now, what have you tried baking in these? Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.